So at first, on my behalf, Happy Independence Day, my friends. And I want to tell you through this video, you can do English speaking practice very well today. How? How can you do? Because whatever will happen in your school, in your university, you can explain it. You can break it down while practicing English. Yeah. Today we will do so many activities. Yeah. We can go to park, go to any specific place with our friends, and we can enjoy. And you can take advantage of these activities. You can do a speaking practice. Yeah. And one thing I want to tell in this video, and it is on Independence Day. We don't say it is in Independence Day, never. So especially I will talk about on preposition. So many people make mistake with preposition. We always use on with weeks, on Friday, on Saturday, on Monday, and we use it on any special festival day, like on Christmas Day, on Independence Day, on New Year Day, yeah, on Easter Day. The moment you add day, you have to use on preposition. It is fixed. This is the rule of grammar. Please always remember in your mind. Yeah. So I don't want to make this video lengthy, because yeah, you also want to enjoy your day today. And remember to practice English, whatever you will do today throughout the day after returning home. Yeah, it will help you. So often we think with which I will do speaking practice. I don't have any topic. So it is a great day of your life. You will not have to find any topic. You can talk about Independence Day, and you can also talk about along with what you will do, what kind of activity you will perform.